product testing, we do manual testing in these areas over here. Why do we test our products? First of all, it's the last step of quality control. Out of each production lot, we take 1 or 2 products out, put them on these machines and test them under the worst scenario conditions. And then the figures the computer throw out, we can compare with what the lock should achieve, and then we know it's a good product, it's a good production lot. There are 2 ways: brutal methods to get into a product or the intelligent methods to get into a product. Yeah, and we test all of them over here. Take a completely frozen lock to minus 40 degrees. It has been in there for a day, so that also the internal parts are completely frozen. So we test it on worst case scenario. But now we take the completely frozen lock, we put it on our hammer blow attack test, where we are now simulating a 3 kilogram hammer attacked from a distance of 1 meter. And also this does just cause some cosmetic failure to the product, nothing more. The plastic material broke. So it's a little bit dense, but not even the lock body is damaged. It works just alright, as it would have been untouched. 2.5 tons, so this is like a big ass American truck hanging on the lock already. So now we are close to 6 tons. So we are now at 6,900 tons. 7.1 ton.
Should I be holding on to this camera? Ah!
Can you please release the machine?
It's still connected.
It's still connected. So now the thief, after having tried for a couple of hours, he broke it, but it's still connected.
What broke?
It's the body. It broke in the lock body, and maybe the internal parts in the power cell broke, but the lock is still connected, so you cannot still not take the bike off. We are using a hydraulic cutting machine here, which is of course much stronger than any kind of normal bolt cutter. But now let's see, 11, 12,
I say 20.
13 tons,
Oh!
13.8 tons cutting resistance. And you will see right now the lock was not really cutted, the shackle was exploded. So you see a little bit of a cut-in area, and then you see from the metal part the steel exploded in between the jaws. With normal bolt cutters, very often happens that when attacking such a lock with a hydraulic bolt cutter, the jaws break. Now try if you can achieve more than 3 tons of cutting.
Hold that for an hour.
So now he is putting pressure and twisting the lock to 500 Newton meter, means the power of an Z8 BMW engine. So now we take it even to a high level. So this is now 2 engines of a Z8 BMW race car. Newton meter power. And now we are getting to now we are at 1300.
You work out.
So now we are at 1400 Newton meter, and I just opened the machine so you can see how it is twisted. Yeah, it is almost